Coronavirus cases in India have crossed 84 lakh mark after recording more than 47,000 cases, even as parts of the country and the world face a second and possibly a third wave. Health Department has put system in place to monitor home isolated patients till 17 days, work on school SOPs on testing to increase, but spike can happen, says Health Minister after expert committee meet. Kaurai Tourist Complex, ignored by the Tourism Department for last 10 years, is in bad shape. If government does not want, hand it over to Panchayat to be converted into a garbage treatment plant or parking place. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. Health Department had put system in place to monitor home isolated patients to prevent COVID cases from going very critical, the Health Minister Vishwajit Rane said on Friday. He said that monitoring has been increased but warned that spikes could come and schools' SOPs would finalized soon.
Vishwajit was speaking to media after the expert committee meeting on Friday. He said that there is a bed vacancy in all 3 COVID hospitals as more and more patients are opting for home isolation, said Rane. Plasma collections has gone up and are touching 25 bags per day. The health minister said that the doctors feel that plasma along with remdesivir and other drugs is the best way to go forward on the treatment.
Basically what is happening is, all of you must be knowing, there was every time there used to be a question that used to be asked, is that there are no beds available in the hospital as far as COVID management and COVID is concerned. But today I think most of the systems which are being monitored by the Dean, Director DHS, Dr. Utkarsh and all the other doctors are put in place. As mentioned to you that we got a digital dashboard that is available to monitor all the home isolation cases that are there in the state of Goa. The outreach in terms of the calls is more than 80% for the patients who are under home isolation. And what we have done now is, with the Dean's intervention and Director DHS, Dr. Disa and Dr. Bandekar and our other team members, is that doctor has also got a group of nearly registered names of 118 third year MBBS students who are now basically trying to help us in reaching out to the patients under home isolation. And as things start opening up, because many times we see that as things get opened up, we should be ready from our side in terms of the best type of care and also the best type of treatment that is given to the people and early detection. In the middle, our testing slowly had dropped, but now we are again bringing it to a level of around 2,000, 2,300 is what we are bringing it. We are stressing that immediate relatives and other things of the patient who is declared as COVID positive are tested, and immediately the immediate contacts where they have come, all those issues and SOPs have been laid down. We are now in the process of further strengthening the facilities of the South Goa District Hospital. We are slowly also going to create a ITU and a high dependence unit in the South Goa District Hospital. From the last meeting till now, we have found over 50 patients who were at home and under home isolation were identified and by the concerned health officer and the doctors dealing with them on a day-to-day basis and shifted to a medical facility. This is what we wanted to achieve, and this is what we wanted to achieve because then we can save the lives of the people and they don't come at the stage of breathlessness and out to the hospital and in a critical condition to the hospital.
Nobody knows when there could be a spike. We are doing our best, the health minister said. He also said that Goa Medical College and Hospital will start its tertiary care activities which were put on hold due to COVID pandemic as part of unlocking of medical services.
And all of you know that we have to be ready for any kind of eventuality because the spike, when it will come, how it will come, nobody can predict. Neither I can predict, neither any doctor can predict, neither any expert can predict, because suddenly you see the President of France declares goes for a lockdown in France. Somebody says there's going to be a lockdown in UK, somebody says there's going to be a lockdown in some other country. As a result, suddenly we found in Delhi overnight there were cases on the rise. So as a result of which, we as the health ministry are keeping all our systems in mechanisms in place so that we can deal with the patients in this and our people who are require care and thorough care is given to them. So this is how we want to move forward.
The health minister said that SOPs for schools and colleges to start would be discussed in the next meeting and then the SOPs would be finalized.
Teaching and the student कशे क्लासेस घेवपाचे तेजे SOPs डीन ठरयतले आणि त्या प्रमाणे आमी क्लासेस कशे घेवपाचे तेंचे कडेन डिस्कस करून also we will take an undertaking from the parents, interact with the parents of the students also, because very important. All these things, following all due procedures and protocols, will take in place, because medical facility is such that what doctor was just mentioning in the expert committee is that to me they do not have practical and other things, then they are not able to give the examination as far as this. But virtual कितें जाता ते virtual केल्ले आसा आनी बाकीचे SOPs and stringent SOPs ते आमी फुडल्या मिटिंगेन डिस्कस करून तो पर्यंत डीन will present to us exactly. Dr. Bandekar will present exactly what has been the response from the parents, what has been the response from the students. Accordingly, we will take it.
Shamchari for Gua 365 from Panaji.
Kaveh tourist complex has turned into haunted house. If government gets the complex that has been ignored by the tourist department for last 10 years in some semblance of shape, it can be a good tourist spot for handover to Panchayat, so it can be converted into a garbage treatment plant or a parking place.
In Kaule, one can see two things: Shantadurga temple in Kaule and the haunted house of the tourism department. Then Deputy Chief Minister Wilfred Disa and then Markai MLA Shripad Naik had inaugurated the complex on 19 December 1997. It was used for 10 years, but after that, no one gave attention to it. Before any untoward incident take place, tourism department should take cognizance of it. Kaule Sarpanch Rajesh Kaulekar has demanded.
10 ते 12 वर्ष ते टुरिझम बंद आसा आनी आमी पंचायतींतल्यान सातत्यान ताका कॉरस्पॉन्डंट करीत आसा. थंय तो एक सादे भाशेन उलोवपा म्हणजे भूतबंगला जालो आसा. भूतबंगला म्हणपाक हरकत ना. हेजें कारण कित्याक थंय रातचे ज्यो गजाली घडटा तुमी मुद्दम वचून पळोवचें. जे डॉक्युमेंटरी आसा पळय भितरली जावं बाकीचें, थंय तुमकां कितल्योश्योच सोऱ्याच्यो बाटल्यो मेळटल्यो जावं अन्य कितें तरी मेळटलें. थंय कोणाचें सद्या लक्ष ना. पंचायत ट्राय करता जेन्ना ती टुरिजमाची प्रॉपर्टी आसल्या कारणान आमकां डायरेक्ट इनवॉल्वूय जावपाक मेळना भितर. पूण थंय कितें तरी जातलें. वेगळे वेगळे जाग्यार टुरिजमाचें आज कामां चल्ल्या आनी हें शांतादुर्गा देवस्थान हें वर्ल्ड फेमस देवस्थान आनी गव्हर्मेंट हांगा कित्याक लक्ष घालना हें म्हाका कळना. हें गव्हर्मेंटान लक्ष घालून तें टुरिजम परत एकदां तरी तेंच्यांनी वेवस्थीत करचें, नाल्यार पंचायतीच्या ताब्यान दिवचें, जेणे करून आमकां हांगा कचऱ्याची समस्या आसा. आमच्या ताब्यान जर तें दिलें जाल्यार आमी थंय मिनी प्लांट करपाक आमी शकता. बरो बेस्ट बरो म्हणजे बऱ्यांतलो बरो प्रोजेक्ट येवपाक शकता आनी गव्हर्मेंटान जर टुरिजमाचो तो बरो प्रोजेक्ट केलो जाल्यार बरो चलपाकूय शकता थंय.
Krishna Naik for Gua 365 from Kaule.
Contractor has left construction work of bridge along the National Highway 17 from Bai to Kankon incomplete. The local ZP member says the work might have halted due to COVID-19 or rain. However, locals say the old bridge is under pressure and mishaps have started taking places. Urgent complete that new bridge demanded locals.
Locals want the widening of road from Karmal Ghat to Bali. However, the construction work of bridge has stopped. 40% of work is complete, but the remaining work has come to grinding halt. If a mishap takes place on narrow road at Bali, it takes time for ambulance or fire brigade to reach the spot. Listen to what the locals have to say.
काम बरें स्लो चल्लां. कामांक येत ना, मुखार येत ना. करमल घाट टू बाळ्ळी म्हणल्यार ते ब्रीज बांदपाले ते इनकम्प्लीट आहात आनी ते कामूय चलना. काम चालूच ना. कितें जालां, एक्सिडेंट जायता. काल नेवार एक एक्सिडेंट जालो बाळ्ळी, आज सकाळ फुडें एक एक्सिडेंट जालो. अशें खूब एक्सिडेंट जायतात. हो रोड जाता तितले बेगीन मातसो रूंद करपा जाय आनी जे अर्दकुडी इनकम्प्लीट ब्रीज उरला ते कंप्लीट जावंक जाय. तशें हांव गव्हर्मेंटान नदरे हाडून दिवपाक सोदता. एक्सिडेंट जातरीच हांगा कोणूच बेगीन पावना. ना आयदर एम्बुलन्स पावना, ना फायर ब्रिगेड पावना, ना हें पावना. खंयचीच ज्यो सुविधा हें जाय त्यो मेळत नात फायर ब्रिगेड तर आमकां मडगांवच्यानूय सुट्टा फायर ब्रिगेडूय बी हांगा ना फाटीं एक कोण पडलो जावं कितें जालें जाल्यार तेजें हेंच ना कितें म्हणल्यार बेगीन पावपाची पॉसिबिलिटी ना म्हणून लोकांनी विचार करपाक की तो पडलो जाल्यार मेलोच म्हणून
दिसता लागली खरी ती काम जावपा जाय पूण जो कोरोना लागलो आनी कितें नंतर पावस येयलो तेणें काम चालू केल्लें पावस येयलो आनी कोरोना लागून तें काम उरलें पूण काम जावूं जाय बेगीन ही म्हाजी हें आसा मागणी आसा काम बेगीन जावचें आनी एकदां तरी बंद जालें न्हू तो रोड ती ब्रीज तर खंय जाली मागीर आनी वचपाक वाट ना सगळो हायवे बंद जातलो म्हणून हें काम बेगीन जावं जाय हें खरें
ब्रिज वीक आसा सामको
ब्रीज सामको ओल्ड तो पुर्तुगीज टायमाचो हें काम जातलें बेगीन करचें कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान आनी त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक आमच्या येयन म्हाजे येयन ताका ताकीद दिवची तुमी जातलें बेगीन काम करून घेवचें
रमेश नायक रावत for Goa 365 from Bali.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Bihar will undergo third phase of assembly elections on 7th November for 78 seats. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar announced that this election will be his last. Is it a proper decision or is this an emotional card behind? It is being discussed after this statement.
Remember this is the last day of the election. It will be my last election. Ant bhala to sab bhala, announced Nitish in his rally in Purnia. However, Nitish has come under heavy criticism from opposition on this issue. Bureau Report Goa 365.
Sunburn is supposed to be held from December 27 to 29 this year. However, the Anjuna Panchayat says that they do not want to give permission because of the possibility of a second wave. The organizers said that they will go ahead with the mega music event only if COVID situation in the state is favorable for such an event.
The government has given conditional approval to Sunburn EDM event in Wagato from December 27 to 29 this year. There had been a lot of criticism on the ground over the government decision to hold such event during pandemic. Youth Congress also held demonstrations against the event outside the hotel where Sunburn media briefing was underway.
आमचो जो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आहा तो वेल एक्सपिरियन्स हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आहा ही गॉट अ वास्ट एक्सपिरियन्स एंड ही नोज अबाउट दिस व्हायरस एटलीस्ट बेटर दॅन अदर्स मोस्ट तेजो व्यूज कितें आहा दॅट देर इज अ सेकंड वेव सपोज टू कम इन डिसेंबर इन मंथ ऑफ डिसेंबर एंड वी हैव गॉन टू द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑल्सो दॅट मेनी अदर कंट्रीज हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड लॉकडाउन taking that into consideration and taking into consideration of the government what they are talking along with Michael also Loban sangla ki we are not in a hurry to have a sunburn this year. So आमचो view हा की जे आमचे लोकांक त्रास जाता गांवांक त्रास जाता ते आमकां नाका आनी जोरीत तर गांवांक आमच्या त्रास जातले we can have the sunburn some other time at a better date or a better year. It is not necessary to put the burden on the people.
The application itself was conditional. We said we only need permission from the government to start planning the event, not to do the event. I just want to clarify, we are not doing the event. We've only taken permission and we are planning because nobody in the world can predict how COVID behaves.
Shamchari for Goa 365 from Panji and Sandeep Kamulkar from Anjuna.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The coronavirus cases in India has crossed 84 lakh mark after recording more than 47,000 cases. More than 77.64 lakhs have recovered from the COVID-19 infections and death toll due to COVID-19 has surged beyond 1.25 lakhs. Out of total cases, 5.19 lakh are active.
A single day jump of 47,638 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In the last 24 hours, 714 deaths were reported and 52,954 patients have recovered. India has reported 84,11,024 COVID-19 positive cases till date. 1,25,029 deaths are reported and 77,64,763 patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 17.3 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Karnataka 8.88 lakh, Andhra Pradesh 8.35 lakh, Tamil Nadu 7.37 lakh and UP 4.92 lakh. More than 6 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 4.90 crore. 12.39 lakh deaths are reported and 3.49 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 92.81 lakh cases, followed by second worst hit nation India, 84.11 lakh cases, Brazil 56.14 lakh cases, Russia 17.12 lakh cases, and France with 16.1 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Dry weather prevailed across Goa for past few days. The weather will continue to remain dry till 10th November in Goa. The sky will remain mainly clear. It would turn partly cloudy in evening. Fog or haze likely to be witnessed in morning.
Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 34 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius respectively in coming 24 hours. Partly cloudy sky. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 33 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius respectively during next 48 hours. There was no large change in maximum and minimum temperature over Goa. The highest maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius was recorded at Mormugao, and the lowest minimum temperature of 21 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panaji. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 from Panaji.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log in website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Goa365TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.